Okay, so this is basically what the question is, right? They're saying that OR gets extended and PQ also gets extended until they meet at point W. So what they're saying is, because we just want to extend the vector, we want to make the vector longer, we can treat OW to just be some multiple of OR. Let's call that N, right? Where N is just a number, something multiplied by A to make it longer, right? So that's that. Similarly, if we want to extend PQ to get to W, so we can get that. So PW can also be rewritten as some multiple of PQ, which you should already have found before. Since N is already used, again, since N is already used, I'm gonna use M. And again, this letter here, N and M, it's completely arbitrary. You can use literally anything that you want. I just pick a random one, right? So these are just numbers that's being multiplied by a vector. So A minus 2 over 5B. So that's OW and PW. Now, the question that they're asking is they want us to find the position vector of W here. Position vector is just asking you what OW is. So that's that. So we want to find OW. Now, we know OW is NA, but we don't know what N is. So we go through the other direction. Instead of going directly from O to W, we can go to OP and then PW. So that's OP plus PW. We know OW is just NA, so let's write that down. NA is equal to OP, we know is B, is equal to B plus PW, which we already found is M times A minus 2 over 5B. Again, the N and the M, completely arbitrary. We're just going to find it later. Where is it? A minus 2 over 5B. Okay, so that's that. So in order to find OW, we just need to find this N here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to expand this side here. It's going to be MA, and then I'm going to move this B here to the next one, plus B minus 2 over 5 MB is equal to NA. Okay, so one thing you should notice is we have a section here with B's on the right side of the equal sign and no B's at all on the left side. So what they're saying here is we can just, let me just rewrite this, sorry. So this is saying that there are no B's at all. The B will cancel each other out. So there will be 0B here. Okay, so if we just focus on the B section, so 0B is equal to B minus 2 over 5 MB. So since this is equal to 0B, 0B is just 0. We can say that B is equal to 2 over 5 MB. And again, the B's cancel each other out. So 1 equals to 2 over 5 M. M is equal to 5 over 2. Okay, so that's that. So let's put it back to our original equation. So we know that M is equal to 5 over 2. And we know that this whole thing here will just equal to 0. So I can just erase everything. So that's just NA is equal to, we know that M here is 5 over 2. 5 over 2A plus this side is just 0, right? That's what we just said. Now notice this is 5 over 2 times A is equal to N times A. So that tells us that N is also 5 over 2. So now that we have N equals to 5 over 2, we know that OW is NA, and since OW is the position vector of W, OW is 5/2A. That's your final answer.